Lamentations over the high cost of agricultural inputs ranging from seed to fertilizer have been rife in Kenya. While market forces have often been accused for pushing up the cost of such inputs, the Competition Authority of Kenya thinks otherwise.
We have seen some trade associations, which in specific areas I'll not mention, which could be making the cost of input in the agriculture sector to be expensive, and also the cost of output in the agriculture sector to be higher above the market rates.
Besides agriculture, the competition watchdog body is worried that price fixing also obtains in trade associations that operate in the financial services sector. A case in point is that of the Association of Kenya Reinsurers, which has been penalized by the Competition Authority for engaging in price fixing. According to the CAK, the association recommended to its members the minimum applicable premiums on the renewal of the National Intelligence Service Group Life Scheme, contrary to Section 21 and 22 of the Competition Act.
And we realized, or rather we found out, that they had actually done that through a circular they had issued to the insurance companies and told them to charge a minimum premium of 15 per thousand for the group life insurance. That recommendation by itself is against the competition law of this country and also the competition process of any country.
According to the CAK, the taxpayer would have been forced to pay an extra 1 million shillings for that specific year through this single procurement deal.
And we feel if at all we deal with these two issues, the financial sectors, who are the drivers of the economy, and also the agriculture sector, which affects the majority of the Kenyan citizenry, is that we'll be helping the government achieve its transformative agenda.
Questions now abound as to whether such practices could be the reason why there hasn't been a significant reduction on interest charged on loans, despite the introduction of the Kenya Bank's reference rate close to a year ago. The CAK says it now wants trade associations to align their objectives with the Competition Act.
The ones who come to us is that we are going to be lenient to them. The law allows us to do that.
The authority has given the trade associations 6 months to comply or risk prosecution. Patrick Igunza, Citizen Business Center.